So I'm Georgie. I own the Hive Salon, which is literally 2 doors up. Around sort of 10 years ago now, at a different practice where I used to live, I had the fixed braces. It wasn't a nice experience, obviously having the teeth removed, being so young. I had them on for over 2 years. Obviously as a teenager, when I was quite conscious of my appearance and things like that. And for such a long time, I think I had them on for a longer period of time than most. Didn't want to smile in pictures, hand over my mouth all the time. I was desperate to get them off for prom, which I did, but unfortunately I didn't wear the retainers that they provided. So over the past sort of 5 years or so, I've noticed my teeth just starting to shift back a little bit into place, which is when I decided to go for the clear align system to straighten my teeth again. So having the braces this time, I was adamant that I didn't want to go back to feeling like that. Working within the hairdressing industry, you're face to face with people every day, and I didn't want to be conscious of how I looked all the time. But having the system where it's clear, I wasn't having to have any teeth removed, that kind of sold it for me really, and the fact that they were clear, you can't see them. So I was offered a few different options. I could have had white fixings as opposed to all metal, which would have been better than what I had before. So out of all the options, I decided to go for the clear align. This system has worked perfectly for me really, and just fitted in. Very, very, very minimal discomfort the first day that I wear them. It's just tightness really. And then after 2 weeks, your teeth are ready to move on to a slightly tighter one. I already am noticing a difference within how my teeth feel, look, especially with the teeth that were the most sort of twisted or set back. I think I'm going to have them whitened after, and just some adjustment on the shapes of my teeth as well. So I'm going to talk to Amit about that after the teeth are straight. But yeah, really excited to see the end result. Yes, I've got my aligners in now. So speaking to people like I do all day, every day doesn't affect how I feel about talking to people, or I'll wear them out on a night out or anything really. I don't feel like they stop me doing anything in particular. So yeah, I've got them in now. Amit, as a dentist, is lovely. It's really nice because you feel like you've got a relationship with him. Some dentists that I've had in the past when I was younger, if they quite sort of to the point and quite harsh, it can put you on edge a little bit, especially if you're nervous about going to the dentist. But he's got such a nice soft approach.